How to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Personal Hotspot. You are now in the Personal Hotspot settings page. Personal Hotspot allows you to share a cellular internet connection from your iPhone to other nearby devices. Over here, turn on the Allow Others to Join feature. You have now successfully turned your personal hotspot. This allows other users or devices to look for your shared network when you are in personal hotspot settings or when you turn it on. You can choose from the different ways to connect, such as connecting using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or using USB. You can also view or edit the password from here if you want to. Other users will join your shared Wi-Fi using this password. Following these steps, you can easily set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on iPhone.